So we all know that AI is everywhere. It starts from the screening and it can help us to decide an eligible patients for the targeted treatment. There are few data set or the software which are available right now in the public domain which can help for the radiological evaluation of the cancer patients. Google DeepMind, AI Doc, Cure AI, and Altrace are some of them. You must have heard Cure AI because it is an Indian based AI company which is predominantly working in a space of tuberculosis and early identification of the lung cancer. Right now, this organization is working very closely with Indian government to start screening of lung cancer in Indian population. There are also various organizations which are working in a space of pathology, and this particular field is mature now because there are many pathological tests powered by AI which are FDA cleared and are having a robust data supporting the advantage of AI pathology over only human intervention. When I talk about importance of this particular data in medical oncology, treatment decision support is the most important one, followed by genomic profiling, risk prediction, and personalized treatment. Across the globe, all the major organizations, including mine, have shifted themselves to AI because if we have to run a big data set, big information about the DNA and RNA of the patient, we need the support of AI in order to curate an accurate report. So now all the major organizations, including the diagnostic labs, move to AI to make their reports more accurate. And similarly, in radiation oncology also, this tool is also being very frequently used. Now, as I mentioned, I would be majorly focusing on the genomic part. Here I would like to show you the workflow for the NGS test. So whenever we are removing or collecting a sample of a patient with malignancy, we are processing this particular sample utilizing multiple platforms. There are few tests which are doing genomic analysis. There are few tests which are doing multi-omic analysis. Ours is a test where we do genomics, epigenomics, and multiomics, transcriptomics to understand the tumor biology. After receiving this signal, we are processing that data set with AI driven bioinformatic pipeline. And this is a most crucial step of creating a customized report. Each and every lab is having their own bioinformatic pipeline, which will decide that which are the abnormality present in a particular patient. And based on that, they are creating the report. And we have created a unique platform in the form of Infinity, which is a AI driven multi-omic platform which evaluates genomics data, transcriptomic data, and epigenomic data of the cancer patients and providing a comprehensive overview about the tumor biology. And this particular report can help the doctors to decide the further course of action. Right now, Guardant is the only precision oncology company across the globe which is having a solutions across the continuum of cancer care. In this slide, if you can see, we have products starting from the screening to the advanced stage cancer patients. We have a test in the form of Shield, which can be used to identify cancer in early stage. It is a blood-based test to detect the cancer in early stages. We also have a test in the form of Guardant Reveal, which is a blood-based test to detect minimal residual disease. Minimal residual disease is a very established concept in the field of hematology, but it is a growing concept in the field of solid organ malignancy, and Guardant is the first organization to venture into this particular space. By doing a multi-omic analysis of the blood sample, we are in a position to tell whether the minimal residual disease is present or not, based on which clinician will decide the eligibility of the patients for the adjuvant treatment. And last but not the least, we also have the NGS stage for the advanced stage cancer patients, whereby providing the data, clinician can choose a patient for the targeted therapy or the immunotherapy. And the backbone of this particular platform is AI. We are evaluating genomics, epigenomics, and transcriptomics to provide these results. But the major feature which differentiate Guardant from any other lab is methylation. So DNA methylation is like fingerprint. Each fingerprint is unique among us. No two individuals are having the single fingerprint. Similarly, each malignancy is having its own methylation pattern. If we have a software which can guide us to decide a particular type of cancer, we can always rely on the methylation pattern, because squamous cell carcinoma of lung is having a different methylation pattern compared to adenocarcinoma of lung. So if any diagnostic lab is having a software which defines the methylation pattern of a particular subtype, it is very easy for the clinician to rely on this and to take the treatment decision based on this data.